But Craig divides the number by 10, then by 10 again, and then by 10 again. Your answer is 0.009. Starting number divided by what? You divide by 10, divide by 10, and divide by 10. So you are dividing by 10 times 10 times 10, which is 1000. This is like division by 1000. And then you're dividing by 1000 to get 0.009. We want to get the starting number. We have to do the inverse of dividing by 1000, which is multiplying by 1000. The opposite of dividing by 1000 is multiplying by 1000. So it's 0.009 times 1000. Then we're moving the decimal point to the right. How many times? 3 times. It's 1, 2, 3. So it means our answer is 9. Write each number in expanded form. This is 5 tens, 3 ones, then 4 tens, 8 hundredths, 2 thousandths. So this is 50 from the 5 tens plus 3, then plus 0.4 plus 0.08 plus 0.002. The next one, we have 7 hundredths, 0 tens, 6 ones, then 1 tenths, 0 hundredths, 9 thousandths. So this is 700 plus, we don't have tens, we have ones plus, and then 0.1, and then there's nothing here, and then plus 0.009. Then C, we have 110, 8 ones, then 0, 5, 6, like this. So we have a 10 plus 8, then plus, we don't have tens, so it's going to be plus the hundreds, 0.05, then the thousands plus 0.006, like that. Okay.